For as long as people have walked the earth, they've wondered how to fly. We have spent more than a decade crafting tools for dreamers. Now, we're going one step beyond with an immersive experience unlike anything else. Introducing DJI FPV. The world's first ready-to-fly FPV drone that lets users of any skill level feel the thrill of immersive flight. We've also revolutionized the FPV experience by creating the DJI Motion Controller, a compact device that enables ultra-intuitive flight based purely on hand motions. With the standard remote controller, 3 distinct flight modes offer multiple options for anyone to fly FPV. Start with N mode for an immersive experience with traditional flight controls. S mode simplifies FPV controls for an exciting hybrid flight. Activate M mode to unlock unlimited flight controls. Now the only boundaries are your skills and imagination. No matter which controller or flight mode you're using, enable emergency brake and hover with one tap to stop and hover in place. The Return to Home button will bring the drone back automatically to its starting location and land it safely. DJI O3 transmission system delivers crystal clear, hyper-immersive image quality with ultra-low latency. DJI FPV also features a robust modular design. The fully integrated camera records every breathtaking move in crisp detail, putting you right in the middle of the scene thanks to a super wide 150-degree FOV. Footage stays super smooth thanks to integrated rock-steady technology. This is DJI FPV.
Slow down Mavic Mini's flight speed and movements for an added layer of precision and stability. Tap on the top right of the camera view interface and switch the flight mode to CineSmooth. Once the aircraft is in CineSmooth mode, the flight speed and control sensitivity will be limited for easier and more precise composition. Get a one-of-a-kind family photo using Mavic Mini at your next outdoor party. Rocket Mode delivers a wide view to capture all of the action and family members in one epic shot. Open the DJI Fly app and choose Rocket and Quick Shots. Set the flight altitude and select the target subject by tapping or dragging the box around it. Tap Start and Mavic Mini will ascend vertically with its camera pointing downward to record the subject automatically and create an increasingly broader view. To exit a quick shot during shooting, tap the X on the right side of your screen or short press the upper left button on the remote controller and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the playback interface, and you will find it has been automatically edited with the background music. Tap the Quick Shots icon at the bottom right to switch back to the original clip. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. After editing is finished, don't forget to share the video with friends on social media.
I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.